Hello everyone. Today, reflection. I'll be sharing my thought on two fundamental concepts in language teaching: selection and gradation of material. As both a student and future teacher, I've seen firsthand how crucial these ideas are for effective learning, and I'm excited to dive deeper into them. First, let's talk about selection. Selection is all about choosing the right materials for language teaching, which sounds simple, but in practice it's quite complex. As student, I've often found myself more engaged when the materials are relevant to my personal interests and align with the learning goals of the class. This is something I hope to replicate in my own teaching. When materials are carefully chosen, whether it's a video, a text, or a task, it can significantly increase student motivation. For example, using authentic materials like news articles or real life videos make learning more meaningful because we can directly see the connection between what we learn in class and the real world. Moving on to gradation. This is where teachers organize materials from simpler to more complex. This principle is key to ensuring that students don't feel overwhelmed. In my experience as a student, I've appreciated when lessons are structured in a way that gradually builds up my understanding. Whether in learning grammar, vocabulary, or developing my speaking skills, I remember how starting with basic sentence structure and then moving into more complicated tenses helped me build my confidence. I've also learned about the importance of gradually introducing materials in my teacher training. I've overloaded students with difficult content too early. It can lead to frustration and burnout. The connection between selection and gradation is crucial. When combined effectively, they ensure a smooth learning journey. As a future teacher, I understand how crucial it will be for me to consider not only what material I chose, but also how I organize them in a logical progression. To wrap up, selection and gradation are essential to language teaching. My experiences as a student have given me a personal understanding of how these strategies impact learning, and as a teacher candidate, I know these are skills I'll need to master. Carefully selecting relevant materials and organizing them in a gradual, logical sequence ensure that students are both challenged that supported in their learning process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this reflection has give you some insight into how these strategies plays out in the classroom.